Hey there, and welcome to the first video in a series of videos on how to use Hunchly. So the first thing you do after you've got Hunchly installed and loaded, as you can see, I'm on Mac OS X here, but it will be the same whether you're on Linux or Windows, is of course you're going to open Chrome and you should see the little Hunchly guy right here in your Chrome toolbar. This is where all of your extensions live in Chrome. So when you click on it, you're going to see a few things here. You're going to see this capture button on or off. This is actually telling Hunchly whether you want it to start capturing your investigative path, all of your pages and the URLs, for example. You're going to see a drop down of the cases. So you always by default have an unassigned case. We will show you very shortly how to create your own case and start doing your first investigation. And we have this note field, which we will mention later on in a later video. So what we can do to actually begin managing Hunchly is click on View Dashboard. This will crack open a fresh tab in Chrome, and this is the actual Hunchly dashboard. So currently we can see we have one case. We have that's it, this unassigned case, and we've captured one page in this case. And that was just me browsing to Google when I had it turned on. So what we want to do initially is let's just create a new case, and we'll start investigating me, Justin Seitz, the creator of Hunchly. So we're going to click New Case, and here you can just give it a case name. So we're going to say Justin Seitz. We have some general case information that we can add, some case notes if we like here. We have the notion of selectors, and we're going to cover this in the next video. It's a pretty important feature of Hunchly, but we're going to leave this blank for now, and we're going to say let's start in our investigation. Now, if we check off this box saying set as current case, this means this will be the case that all of our pages are now going to be stored in. So we're going to say save case. And now we see that we have a new case here named Justin Seitz, that it's been added. We have our total cases here. And of course, our case list here now shows that we've added this new case. Now, this is important to note that now when going forward, as I'm doing my investigation, as long as I have the Justin Seitz case set, that all of the pages I capture are going to be logged to that particular case. So I'm just going to drop into Google here, and I will show you how to capture our first page. So by turning the capture on, this is signaling to Hunchly that now it's time to actually capture some information. And we're going to do a quick Google search for Justin Seitz, and there I am smiling away. And of course, there's some more information. I'll leave it up to you, but there's an underwear model that shares the same name with me, so you might find some pretty interesting photographs that do not match my face on the right. But now we've actually done our first capture with Hunchly. And the beautiful thing is that you didn't have to click on anything or do anything. We're just going to start our searching, and Hunchly is actually working in the background to make sure that your data is being collected. So if I select my Justin Seitz case, we can see pages viewed 1, searches performed 1, so we know that we have that. If we click on history, we can see exactly what URL and what time it was that we visited that particular URL. So I encourage you now to go out and do some clicking around, do some hunting, and you're going to see that Hunchly is storing all the pages that you're viewing inside of this particular case. And in the next few videos, we're going to cover things like selectors and notes and how to explore some of our case data, but this is a great start.